BGCoatings delivers high-performance pool paints trusted by trades and homeowners Australia-wide. Whether you're resurfacing a concrete pool, refreshing a fiberglass shell, or maintaining a commercial facility, our paints are built to last against sun, salt, and chlorine. Our BG Pool Paint range offers two proven options. Epoxy Kit, a tough two-part mix for new or heavily used concrete and fiberglass pools, giving a smooth, glossy finish with maximum chemical resistance. Chlorinated Rubber Paint, a ready-to-use formula, perfect for repainting older rubber-coated pools. It delivers strong adhesion, flexibility, and long-lasting colour. Both are available in a wide colour range with optional non-slip additives for steps and shallow zones. From DIY renovators to facility managers, you get factory direct quality at tradie prices. Colours that last, a finish that shines. Choose from timeless shades like ice blue or tropical blue, designed to resist chlorine and saltwater, keeping your pool bright season after season. So, are you ready to transform your pool this summer? Order online today at bgcoatings.com.au. Australia-wide delivery, direct from the factory.